dead trees down.
Just cut all these crap out of the way, the small things. And then
I don't know if we have poison ivy.
huh?
I don't know if we have poison ivy.
Yeah, I tend to always get it somewhere else.
Oh. John, come tell us the plan.
Look at those other ones? Huh? Can we get a tight grip around there?
Yeah.
All right, what's the plan?
The plan is that we are going to saw these dead trees down.
It's a 3, right?
There's 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that small little one?
Small one, then that one over there. There's one over there that's dead.
Right, that one is. There is a dead one over there.
Yeah, this kind of came about because actually one of the trees snapped.
So that's how that tree ended up over there.
Yeah, it snapped and
Yeah.
basically landed on my neighbor's property and thankfully didn't break the fence.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even know about
So-
this. How did you not tell me this?
Basically what we're doing is trying to avoid any other issues with this. And pretty much yeah, just pretty much just there. I mean, we kind of inherited the trees when we bought the house, and they were dead anyway to start, so they really need to go. And now they're just gonna. It's just an accident waiting to happen, so
Yeah.
we're gonna take care of it. Hopefully, with no injuries.
Good luck. All right, you guys be careful.
You gotta go way back.
So basically what we're doing is we've tied this tree up. We're going to pull the tree this way to get it away from the neighbor's property, and then he's going to take the chainsaw and cut a wedge out of the bottom so that it falls this way. What?
And then what's the tractor having to do with it?
The tractor's got the tree attached to it. It's going to pull it this way.
Nice.
might pull it right over. That sucks, it's so low. But if it starts going, you just gotta gas it. I would honestly just make it tight, and I'll whack it.
This is crazy.
I just did it 4 times. I'm gonna YouTube something real quick. Try to see if it'll pull it over. I don't think it's going.
It's in here tight now.
Yeah, I know. I just want to look something up. I'll wedge it.
Hey, girl. Don't worry, they'll be fine. What's the worst that could happen?
I mean, if you want, I just refreshed my brain on how to wedge it.
Yeah.
So
I was going to say, if you're concerned about how it's going to go,
no.
there's a 10-foot tree right there that's got to go first. It has to go anyway. So we can do it.
No, this is what I want to do first because if the top snaps, because it's dead, but it's not really that dead, I just felt it. If it snaps, then it's just going to go in the backyard.
All right.
Like I want to make sure.
The other branch already came off and landed on the fence.
Well, that will be a bigger branch than that.
You see the side?
Oh, that one. Okay, I didn't see that one. Sorry.
That one.
I don't even know the one I just cut. Well, that thing is nothing.
All right. Make this tight. Ready?
No. I think that's the way to do it right there.
Are spinning. You got a chainsaw at the bottom now?
Pretty cool, actually.
That was pretty impressive.
I used to do this from this. top snapping and coming down on me.
I was worried about it. I wasn't sure how heavy the tree was. I was worried about it kicking me.
I knew right away when the wedge, all you're doing is just keeping that hook. Wedge in the front, started tipping a little bit, you were good. Because that's what you want to, that way you can say to yourself, okay, I got a problem here, I got to switch this up. You know what I mean? Those little things.
Good job. All right, going for round 2. Jeez, you're lifting the whole thing? My gosh. How heavy is that? Jeez.
Here we go. So, we're going to do this one a little different. Not, I didn't say concept, but I was straighten out the most.
It's actually,
Huh?
it's actually,
That way, this way.
this one.
Yeah, but at the top.
Hang on.
I gotta undo it. I mean, all this rope is just extra security that it's not going to go the other way.
Oh, yeah.
But realistically, we could cut this without. You know? Somewhere in between it, you want to rely on the rope. But, I'm not going to do that. Yeah, absolutely.
Hello. How you doing? Are you here to help? We're ready? Alright, so this one's gonna go the same way?
Yeah.
Hopefully. Hopefully. You said this one's bigger?
I mean, the other good thing is that those limbs are so light.
Huh?
The other good thing is the limbs are so light.
Yeah, I got you.
I mean, how much damage can it do?
Tighten it up.
Timber! Wow, it like exploded. Hey, girl. They did a good job. No injuries. You were scared? Okay.
What I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna go up on the ladder with the saw. I'm gonna cut a couple of these ones that are leading that way. Now I can get a nice grip out. Nah, you know what? I'm just trying to figure out where I want to grab it. You know? Because they're so small up there. Right here. So we either gotta cut them first, one at a time, or put it on there and pull that way. Yeah, but if we, those will probably snap right away. I mean, I can cut them to the full this way, except for that one. And then, alright, I'll cut this one out of the way here, right? And then we'll wrap around those two ones that go off.
Be careful. Oh, man. Jeez. Please be careful. Oh my gosh.
That was stupid. Alright, so yeah, I'll wrap around that. That was close.
You almost gave me a heart attack.
I cut it so it drops straight down.
Yeah, but...
I mean, it doesn't always work that way though.
Yeah. Jeez. That could be part of your new workout.
Good. Tight. It's around there good, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get it tight then. Maybe we can dig it this way. It might go through this other tree, but
yeah, or I mean, there's a lot of wide open space there, but I think it's leading this way.
definitely needs this way.
This way.
But you kind of run the risk of just gonna have to go down through the branches. But I mean, I don't know. Fine.
You know what we haven't had in a while? Five Guys.
They're charging like $12 for a burger.
It's like Red Robin prices. Without the dine-in experience.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my gosh! It's just so crazy when it drops how it just explodes into a million pieces. Like, look at all these big pieces.
Regular trees don't do that.
I'm thinking about this.
A live tree.
Well, what kind of tree is this?
Around here?
Yeah, it seems like a good spot.
Some kind of bee or something.
Eating them things.
Carpenter bee or something.
Did you get stung?
Huh?
You get stung?
No, it's either some kind of termite or some kind of burrowing bee destroying the trees around here.
Well, it seems like just that particular tree, not the other trees.
I'll pull up the tractor and see what happens. A big tree. That was a big tree. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. John, that was really dangerous. Oh, it's definitely going on the video. Oh my gosh. You're really strong though. That was like amazing.
So this one here will cut.
Right. Hello. All right, I'm home for the weekend. Yeah, almost 3 months. Yeah, it's been crazy. I tested negative like 3 times, and the one time he was supposed to come up, but then a bunch of people tested positive, so I had to wait another few weeks to retest. It was so frustrating. But they were able to give us the weekend off, so not everybody, but for some. So I'll probably be gone like maybe another month or so. That'll be okay. We'll see how things go. So, but stay safe, social distancing. What way are you guys gonna pull it? Why won't you pull it towards the street? Oh. Okay. Okay.
This one to get less weight off it, right? Let's pull this one that way. I'm gonna get this one here, right? Or should we just do it? I used to do this for a living. Unfortunately, nice.
I think it's fortunate, very fortunate. Oh my Lord. What you doing, babe? Are you just gonna pull that one off? Okay. Careful. Oh my gosh. All right, last one. Be safe. Be careful. And tractor's not starting. All right. All right, round 3. Or third try. Cross. Got a deer going right there. Oh, jeez. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're good. We're good. Come on, let's do it. Just cut it down. All right, here we go. What a heart attack. Gosh. Seems to be the biggest of the trees. What are you gonna do? Just drive into the bushes? Back a little bit. You almost gave me a heart attack. You took that part of my tree. My poor tree. Yeah, I almost had a heart attack. I wasn't sure what. For a second, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know if it's going to go over here. Oh.
That actually came out pretty perfectly.
Thanks for doing all this.
You're welcome. Maybe we can put it in the data.
Oh,
What's that?
Bird nest.
bird's nest. Alright, I gotta put this in my favorite tree. Hopefully that'll be safe enough for now.
How you doing?
Alright, so you gotta get the stumps out. Those are some of the last things to do, right? But as far as
It's not
the
happening for a while.
yeah, as far as getting the main things done, how did it go, you think?
Pretty good. Nothing got broken. Chopped everything down that we wanted to chop down. Now I just have to clean everything up. It's pretty much gonna take a while. You can see there's a lot of sticks all over the place.
Yeah.
Other than that,
Kindling wood, that'll be perfect.
other than that, it was pretty straightforward.
How about taking that tree out with your bare hands and a piece of rope?
It was dead already. So.
Too humble.
Definitely would not recommend doing this on your own. You should definitely get a professional. My brother's a professional, so he was the one doing the majority of the dangerous stuff. So you don't want to operate a chainsaw or anything like that unless you know what you're doing. So keep that in mind.
Yeah.
Other than that, we're all set. Thanks for watching.
Yay!